Good morning, students. Once again, I Gunjan Garg going to teach you past tense. Children, today I will teach you past tense. As I told you before, past tense has four parts, four types. Simple past tense, or we can say it past indefinite tense. Second, past continuous tense, or we can say it past progressive tense. Third is past perfect tense. And fourth is past perfect continuous tense. Children, firstly, we will discuss simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Firstly, what is the identification of this tense? Students, simple past tense is used to express an action which is totally unrelated to the present. It denotes an action which happened in the past. It means जो past में होगा action, उसको हम past tense में रखते हैं. Example, I completed my work in the morning. कि मैंने morning में अपना काम पूरा किया. It means this action, it is happened in the past. Now, what is the formation of this tense? Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Children, I told you before that object is not a compulsory part of a sentence. It can be in the sentence or it cannot be in the sentence. Okay, children, we use only second form of the verb in this tense. For example, go, went, gone. Go first form है, went second है, and third form or past participle gone है. But in simple past tense, we use second form of the verb. For example, I went to the market yesterday. So here I use went. Okay. Now, negative sentence. How can we form a negative sentence? Children, in negative sentence, we use subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object. Example, I did not go to the market yesterday. Children, pay attention, because if we are making sentence in negative, that we use did not, but here we change second form in the first form. देखिए, हमने यहाँ पर पहले यूज किया था पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में I went to the market yesterday, बट जब हमने इसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाया है, हमने यूज किया है did not plus first form of the verb. I did not go to the market yesterday. It is the negative form of this tense. Now third, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, in the beginning of the sentence, we use did. Did I go to the market yesterday? It is interrogative form. And now fourth is interrogative negative. Did I not go to the market yesterday? Children, it is simple past tense. Now, past continuous tense. Children, in past continuous tense is used to denote an action that was going on at some time in the past. Past में जो action होता है वो progress में होता है. I was reading a novel. It is the example. Now again, what is the formation of this tense? Subject plus was, were. Was, were are the helping verb of this tense. Plus first form of the verb plus ing and object. For example, they were watching movies. Because our subject is in the plural, they. That's why we are using here were. If our subject is singular, then we use was. Now, negative sentence. Simple. In negative sentence, we add not. They were not watching movies. It is the negative form of this tense. In interrogative sentence, firstly we write helping verb. Were. Were they watching movies? और कोई changes इसमें नहीं होगा. बस हम beginning में क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम helping verb को use करेंगे. And interrogative negative, were they not watching movies? We add not because it is interrogative sentence. Firstly we write helping verb, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb plus ing, then object. Okay student, it is past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Past में जो वर्क होता है वो हमारा certain moment में complete हो जाता है. For example, he had done his work. Now the formation of this tense, subject plus had. Had is the helping verb of this tense plus third form of the verb, or we can say past participle form of the verb. Third form को हम past participle form of the verb भी बोलते हैं. Example, mother had arranged all the groceries. हमने यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट मदर है हमारा, हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज की है हैड, और अरेंज की थर्ड फॉर्म होती है अरेंज्ड. अरेंज्ड ऑल द ग्रोसरीज. ओके, इट इज द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. नाउ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. मदर हैड नॉट अरेंज्ड ऑल द ग्रोसरीज. ओनली नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमें पहले की तरह नोट ऐड करना है. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Firstly, we have to write helping verb. Had mother arranged all the groceries? And then interrogative negative. Had mother not arranged all the groceries? हमने interrogative में note add किया तो sentence हमारा हो गया interrogative negative. It is past perfect tense. Children, now we study past perfect continuous tense. What is the identification of this tense? Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began before a certain time in the past and continued up to that time or concluded just before it. For example, I had been writing since morning. What is the formation of this tense? Subject plus had been. Had been is the helping verb of this tense plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. As I told you before, object is not a compulsory part of a sentence. ये किसी सेंटेंस में हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी, इसके बिना भी हमारा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होता है. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड बीन प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ing. नाउ एग्जाम्पल. प्रशांत हैड बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब सिंस लास्ट ईयर. चिल्ड्रन, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में मोस्टली आप देखेंगे टाइम आता है, और वही बात जैसे मैंने आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में पहले से ही बताया है कि हमारा जो सिंस होता है वो हमारे डेफिनेट टाइम के लिए यूज होता है और फॉर हमारा इनडेफिनेट टाइम के लिए यूज होता है. तो यहाँ पर हमने सिंस का यूज किया है, सिंस लास्ट ईयर. ओके, प्रशांत हैड बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब सिंस लास्ट ईयर. इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, प्रशांत हैड नॉट बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब सिंस लास्ट ईयर. यहाँ पर आप ना ये बात ध्यान रखना बच्चों, हैड नॉट बीन, हैड के बाद नोट आएगा और उसके बाद बीन आएगा. प्रशांत हैड नॉट बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब सिंस लास्ट ईयर. नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. हैड प्रशांत बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब लास्ट ईयर. वी हैव टू राइट हैड इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, देन प्रशांत बीन. एज इट इज जैसे मैंने किया है, आप बिल्कुल ऐसे ही सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. हैड प्रशांत बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब लास्ट ईयर. And the fourth part, interrogative negative. Had Prashant not been looking for a job last year? Simply note add कर देंगे हम interrogative sentence पे. That's we have to make interrogative sentence. Okay, it is past tense. Children, now past tense is completed.